Here's a list of tools you need to complete this job. 5W20 motor oil, new oil filter, new draining bolts crush washers, drain tub, clean funnel, various ratchets, 17mm socket and wrench, oil filter wrench to break the filter loose, torque wrench if you want to properly torque your fasteners, brake cleaner, paper towels. Affiliate links to everything I've used or recommend are in the description. Alright, let's get to it. Drain engine oil. Replace the crush washer and reinstall the drain plug. Torque it to 39 Nm or 29 pound-feet. Remove the oil filter. Clean the oil filter mating surface with a paper towel. Install the new oil filter. Torque to 12 Nm or 8.7 pound-feet. Clean around. Adding the engine oil now. Recheck the engine oil level. Time to reset the maintenance minder. In order to do that, you need to switch the ignition to the second position. When you see the maintenance message displayed, press Info button on the steering wheel to cancel it. Then press Select Reset button until you see the oil life indicator. Now press and hold the Select Reset button for about 10 seconds until a reset menu is displayed. Here you'll be able to reset the oil life and maintenance code by pressing Select Reset button once. When reset, the oil life indicator should show 100%. That's it. Dispose of used fluids responsibly. We're done. If this was helpful, rate the video, leave your comments below and hit that subscribe and bell buttons for more videos just like this. Thank you for watching. Drive safe, use your turn signals, and remember, anything is possible with the right tools and motivation. See you next time.